wala mo na pong sasabay kay Kuya Ivan ha. Para so since tayo po ay yung students sa companion po ng girls. Okay tayo doon?
Apa. So messy. I'm gonna get ready with me, guys. Ay, Manolo. Wait, I have hair clips. Ay, no, it's not. Oh my god. What is my makeup? Yes! Nakikita mo sa gilid yung phone ko.
Guys, vlog ko yan, guys!
I can't see. I can't.
Hi, guys! Wait, my gosh, so proud.
I can't.
Oopsie.
Eyeshadow. I'm gonna cover.
Ay, na yung isa mo. Sa Amos na yung camera mo.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher!
Pilipino ang bumaril kay Dr. Oscar Rizal tuwing 18th century. North, meron din mga taga Pampanga, mga taga
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's DreamWorks. I think dyan na lang tayo. Me too. Hi guys!
Hi, welcome to my house.
I bought a lot. We're rushing. Guys, we're rushing.
We gone wrong.
Hello. We're like waiting for show. Hi. Thank you po. Oh. It's okay.
Sana. We have really bracelets there, 100 each. Bilang na lang siya para makabili din si present.
Waiting cotton candy.
Excuse me. Ano ba ang bracelet? So ito? Bumili ako. Ay! Magkano ka 200? Ikaw, asa yung binili mo? Handa-handa siya ng oras na ganito. Guys, mag-ibo. Ang cute. For your vlog? Yeah. I'm going to say hi. Hi, vlog!
Pink heart. Can I take your phone? Purple, purple.
Okay guys, Juice unboxing.
Either My Melody or Hello Kitty.
Wait, can you show your blind box first? Time. And magkano?
That's not.
Okay. Which one do you want to get? Which one do you want to get?
I want My Melody.
Okay.
But whatever
What do you
is fine.
What do you not want to get?
Nothing.
You like everything?
Yes.
Okay.
So cute.
Now.
Yes. Drew is so full of whimsy and happy. Oh. Wala na ang boss.
Girl.
Wait, it's not opening. Opening! I love
Wait,
it.
you do it yourself because that's
Take
yours.
it again.
Wait, don't look. Don't look. Eh, tumingin na siya eh.
Ay, sorry.
You know na?
No. It's Kurom.
Oh. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, I see. Wait, let's show them. Oh, it's so cute. Time. Oh, there's like instructions.
Like, short leggings. Yes. Oh,
Sige siya, guys.
Ay,
Hi, it's almost 12 midnight. We just got home like an hour ago. Before I sleep, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Everything. First one, I have this one from Japan Homesen. We weren't able to eat lunch because we had like less than 1 hour to roam around or to eat lunch, but we didn't because we wanted to buy a lot of things. First one, I have a hairbrush, Hello Kitty. I'm so sorry if I have like no voice because I was literally coughing now for like less than a week, and I bought cold water like just before we go home, and now my voice is gone. But anyways, this is what I also have. Hi Chew. Also have this one, Chrome Squishy from Star City. Got a blind bag from Toys R Us. This is Marie from Disney, and I wanted to get this one, and I got this one. So cute. Honestly, I was fine with getting literally anything because all I wanted was this one. So cute. And then last one I have this one. First quarter just ended. We're like half of the semester already. And yeah, I wanted to get My Melody, but seriously, I bought this one exactly because since it was a blind box, I was not sure with what I was going to get. So I chose this one because I know that whatever I get, it would be okay for me. And I got Kurami. I'm gonna go sleep, and honestly, this field trip was so fun. Even though there were like backlogs, we experienced something different from the other buses. I'm still grateful because able to spend it with my closest friends, and I'm truly grateful that it was them that I was with. Yeah, that is the end of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's field trip, and yeah, I don't know what else to say, so goodbye.